Late night in my room, staring at the ceiling fan, listening to Joe Slane Flores, trying to understand how a world so cold could take away a glowing light. You taught us how to battle monsters in the dark at night with the alone tattoo. You wore your pain right on your skin. Showed a generation it's okay to feel broken within. From the raw distorted bass, when you scream look at me, to the acoustic chords that set our heavy spirits free. They try to judge your past, try to lock you in a box, but you were changing for the better, breaking all the locks, giving back to the kids, preaching peace on your stream. Now we gotta keep alive your unfinished dream.